Hey my friends, I am Catherine and today we are going to try something a little bit different. I want to do an acrylic pour because I'm really enjoying it and I'm having a lot of fun doing them. But I want to do something a little bit different. Like I said, I want to do a flip cup through a stencil. See how that turns out. Might be fun, might be cool. Might not be. Might be a regular pour. Who knows? We will try it and see how it goes. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is load our cup up with paint. I've got just a bunch of different leftover colors from other projects over here. So I'm just going to kind of pour them all into my cup. That was purple. This is gold. Here's a tiny bit of yellow. That's going to be all the yellow we've got, so we're just going to load it all down into there. Hopefully. Sort of something like that. Good enough. Just a little bit of blue. These paints have been sitting for a little while, so I stirred them back up again, but they might not be the most quality. It's an experiment though, so we will see how it goes. There's a little bit of pink. Let's top ourselves off with the rest of the purple. That's probably good. The rest of the gold. That's a little chunky, that's okay. It'll figure itself out. Or it won't. Whatever. And the last bit of this pink, if we can get it into there. Okay. That is probably enough paint. Looks good, I think. Let's just kind of center up that stencil and flip our cup over onto it and let it run down for a second and settle. I'm kind of trying to press it down pretty hard into the canvas because I don't want it to seep out underneath the stencil too much. And the stencil is creating little pockets where the paint can seep out. So I'm just trying to keep it sealed down as much as possible for the reveal, because that's always the funnest part anyway. Okay, that is probably good. So let's lift our cup. Oh, it's spreading out over the top of the stencil. That's what I was hoping for. Awesome. Okay, let's just finish that cup off. Oh, the inside of that cup looks cool. All right, toss it. Get paint all over our hands. And then see if we can't just encourage the paint around over the top of the stencil. Hopefully, somewhat nicely. Just out to the corners. Everywhere. Ooh, without sliding our stencil around, please. I'm going to end up getting my hands all painty. That's okay. It'll be what it'll be. I have accepted this. It is my lot in life. I will work with it and then move on. Just kind of trying to hold the stencil flat to the canvas. Getting paint everywhere all over my table too, but that's fine. Trying to make sure I get it out to that corner. That's probably good. And down to this corner. Like we mean it to be. Sort of. Come on, don't get too drippy. I want it to be more coating, less drippy. Okay, because the idea is once it's all over, all over. There we go. We can set it back down. We're covered in paint. And then we can just slowly and gently and hopefully lift our stencil and maybe end up with something cool looking. That's not terrible. That is not terrible. Now my stencil is covered in paint, but I love it. Yeah. Well, that was fun. That is what we did today. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, definitely let me know. I've got to go wash up. But I hope you liked it. And I will see you all tomorrow. And, oh, remember to subscribe. Bye.